made this one.
4 Glocks on the diet, Glock hit his body.
Got this white bitch sucking coke till they lolly. If I ain't got the 40, then they pumpin' with the shorty.
Come here, baby girl, where you even going, shorty?
I'm from homecoming, you know I had a half a molly. I get dead high last night till like Rick and Morty. And she know I tryna break up all like bad head. Tell that bitch stop playing with me, bitch, this ain't Red Dead. Yeah, he's fucking with a white bitch, that's a redhead. If you play with me, little boy, you can end up fucking dead.
Roll up 10 G's, make a nigga take a flight.
She got on white panties, so I know that connie tight.
Got this one red bone bitch, she suck me like a kite.
So come up in this car if you don't get night or night. And she tell me beat it harder last time, I ain't do it right. And I had her creaming just like ice cream, I had it white.
I don't worry about bitches, cause money the only thing I like.
Money over bitches, that's the slogan I learned in life. None of tried it up my body ever in his life. I was on the blog last night, mixing Nina Sprite.
Burger King up in the back, yeah, he mixing with some dice.
I was serving 5 and 10 in school, yeah, that shit was nice. Sloppy bitch up in the bar, can't even fuck right. And she was in teeth, this bitch can't even suck right. And she got that dog, so they giving her this horse pipe. Yeah, nigga 50, I need got like fucking 4 pipe. Dumb bitch run me hard, just like fucking exhaust pipe.
5 in a perk, yeah, that shit that got me dumb hype.